Rachael, they used to have 7 C's, I think it was called. My friends' moms and dads, they had these little shakers of Italian dressing that would come in this little packet. So I'm kind of rolling old school. Instead of the packet, I'm making my own in a mason jar, because I live in the country and we all have lots of mason jars there. But basically, it's a sweet salad dressing, and all you do when you're making any salad dressing is 1 part acid to 3 parts of olive oil or whatever oil you're using. I put salt and pepper in here, and that salad dressing was very sweet to me, so I'm adding some honey. And then we're going to add in granulated garlic, granulated onion, a little oregano, a little crushed red pepper, and I like cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. And then on the side, for people who do eat meat, my husband's favorite component of this salad, lots of chopped up salami and provolone.